Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. Hi, this is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In today's video of Custom QuickBooks Training, I want to show you how to group up your downloaded banking. The use case for this is going to be if you have a lot of banking, you might want to see it grouped together in various ways so you can process it a little bit faster. I personally don't like this, but I know some people do, so I want to show you. Let's go over to banking on the left. It'll take us to our downloaded banking. We're going to go here to Alaska Airlines, and I'm starting with the end in mind. You can see that I've already grouped this up. I've grouped everything based on description. The way that I turned on the grouping was that I went to the right to the little tiny gear. I click on the tiny gear and I toggle turn on or turn off grouping. This is what it looks like when there's no grouping. And this is what it looks like when there is grouping. Just a couple of things you can do with this if it's of interest is right now it's all grouped by description. I can tell it's grouped by description because my sorting arrow is next to description. I could instead group it by date. If I had payees, I could group it by payee. I think grouping by description is the easiest because you can see at a glance if you have a bunch of stuff with one name or to one provider that you can enter into your QuickBooks all at once. So maybe it's helpful, maybe it's not. Just here to show you what I can. Okay, thank you so much.